x. So angle x is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look for, okay, I haven't seen the paper myself, so it's the first time that I'm going to take a look at this as well. Right, so in case I do not know how to do, in case, right? Okay, so let's see, yeah. So first one, let's find all angles. That's what I do, 41, 80. So we got to use a calculator here. Minus 41, take away 31. It's 108, right? So this angle is 108 degrees. So what else? To find x. Oh, actually x, I should take 180 minus 41 minus 51. It's 88. Right, so this 88 degrees right here. Because this whole thing forms a triangle, so I just want to take the angle sum of triangle. Okay, stylus not so good. Wait. Okay, so I got 108 there. Now to find angle y, now because I found that this part is 108, so I know that this is 72. And basically I take 180, take away 72, take away 51. Okay, 57. So angle y is 57 degrees. Okay, next. So this is pretty easy. Okay, next one. Lucy had an equal number of gold stars and silver stars. Okay, I'm gonna choose a thicker pen. So she gave 26 gold stars and 14 silver stars to Maggie. So let's start with gold and silver. Yeah, so have the same number. So we start with 1 unit each. So minus 26 gold stars, take away 26, and 14 silver, take away 14. She gave the remaining stars to Nick. Nick was given 1 gold for every 3 silver. So there are some left, right? So there are some left. Now what is left is there's 1 gold for every 3 silver. That means here would be like 1 part, and then this is like 3 parts. Okay. Why is that? Because 1 gold for every 3 silver, everything given to Nick. Okay, so how many stars now? This is a units and parts. So actually for this question, if you knew your heuristics pretty well, you'd be quite okay. Okay, so let's take a look here. G1U, okay. So 1U take away 26 equals to 1 part. And then 1U take away 14 equals to 3 parts. So from here I know 2 parts equals to, what's 2 parts equivalent to? Now 2 parts is equivalent to the difference between 26 and 14, which is 12. So 1 part represents 6, right? So if 1 part represents, how many stars did Lucy have at first? I mean 1 part represents 6, 3, this is 6, this 1 part is 6. So I take 6 plus 26 equals to 32. So take 32 times 2. 32 times 2 equals to 64. Right, so altogether there were 64 at first. Okay, so that's correct. So units and parts to solve this. Next question. Now on Friday, the ratio number of adults to boys to girls was 765. On Saturday, number of adults within the zoo remained the same. So we have 2 days. Yeah? So at first, I call this a before and after. So before, at first the ratio adult boys girls, A, B, G was 765. On Saturday, the number of adults remained the same. So Saturday, right? So this was 7, same 7 units. Number of boys increased by 50%. So this became 9 units. And the number of girls decreased by 40%. So here's the tricky part, right? How to remove 40%? I need to remove 40% of 5. So I take 0.6 times 5, 3. Okay, so basically take away 2, so left 3. And here is just plus 3. So there's addition of 50%. Okay, this remains the same. 3. Alright, so what was the ratio of adults to boys visiting the zoo on Saturday? So there you go. See, we have the answer for part A. This answer part A. Then how about part B? So on Friday, 627 boys and girls visited the zoo. What was the total number on Saturday? Oh, that's pretty easy. So 7 plus 6 plus 5 equals to 18 units. And 18 units represents 627. So 1 unit represents 627 divided by 18. What? 7 plus 6 plus 5, 18. 627 cannot divide by 18. Okay. Oh, okay, it's only boys and girls. So it's just this. Okay, which is 11. 627 divided by 11. 57. So 1 unit is 57, and on Saturday, they want the total number of visitors, which is equal to 19 units. So 19 units would represent times 19, 1083. So that's B. Next. So far, so good, yeah? I mean, the questions, maybe the ones at the back will be tough. Okay, so ABCD is a rhombus. Find ABD. ABD. Rhombus. Okay, so what's so special about a rhombus? What's so special about rhombus? Rhombus, for rhombus, right, the sides are equal. So this equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, right? So if I want to find angle ABD, which is right here, all I have to do is to take 180 minus 106, I get 74, right? See, yeah, 74 degrees. So I divide by 2. So 74 divided by 2 equals to 37 degrees. So for the first part, this is 37, right? So let me just write down 37 degrees. Okay, next GCB. GCB. So GCB is here. This is just 54. Wait, no, it's not 54 here. Careless. Right, I thought it's parallel. Okay, to find this one, GCB. GCB, this angle, I must find this angle. So this angle is 106. Right, so GCB is 74 degrees. Okay, so this is 74. That's pretty okay. And EFB, EFB. All right, that angle over there, 50. One zero. Okay, so here it's got to be 37 as well, right? So that's 37 degrees as well. So to find this one, the EFB, I will take 360 because this is a four-sided figure, yeah? Where's the four-sided figure? Let me show you. Yellow, right? This four-sided. So four-sided is 360 degrees. So I'm going to take 3, working 360 minus 37 minus 106 minus 54. Okay, so question 9 is 163 degrees. All right, so far so good. Yeah, I mean, I'm getting the vibes, you know, that is not too tough. Okay, so half of the files sold by A were yellow. How many yellow files did shop A sell? Shop A. How many files did shop A? Half were yellow. Okay, this is a bit tedious. You gotta. Yeah. Now, if half were yellow, that means the rest are half as well. Okay. So 150 plus 175 plus 25. Okay, so I got 350 here. So this part here is 350. That means yellow should also be 350. Right? So yellow is 350. 350. Because it's half, right? It's half. Next, which color did shop A sell more than B? Shop A sold blue, right? More. How about yellow? Blue and yellow, right? Two of these colors, right? So blue and yellow. And C, in February, shop B sold 105 more blue than the number of blue files in January. This is January, okay? Okay, so percentage increase, 105 more. Now we're gonna have 105 more blue as compared. More blue than the number of blue files sold. Okay. So the increase is 105. Let's go by B from Jan. Okay. With respect to 150 times 100%. Okay. 150. Can't write 0. Right, so 105 or 150 times 100. So blue. Wait a minute, double check. What's the percentage increase in the number of blue files sold by from January to February? Oh, okay. Wrong denominator, right? We are looking at shop B. So it's 125. This the one. Okay. So we will get 84%, right? Based on calculation. Okay, moving on. It's so far okay. Okay, this one looks tough. It's a diagram, okay? So the photocopying rates of two machines P and Q are shown. Both machines were used to make a copy of a set of notes which have been divided into part 1 and 2. Machine P took 7 minutes, Q took 8 minutes. Whoa. Okay, so for P, it's 2 pages per second. Now, if it's 2 pages per second, we want to convert everything to seconds, yeah? Because P took 7 minutes. 7 minutes is 420 seconds. 8 minutes is 480 seconds. So P, 7 minutes. This is P. And this is Q. Okay, so if P were to print 2 pages per second, 420 seconds would mean that it produced divided by 2. It's 210 pages. This one divided by 5. 480 divided by 5. 96 pages. And altogether, 306 pages. Okay. Not correct. Oh, sorry. 2 pages per second. It's not 1 page per second. Sorry. So it's 2 pages per second. This will print 840 pages, right? So 480 times 2, 960 pages. So we add them together. 840 plus 960, 1008. Why? 7. You see, this is a problem of not reading properly. So the first one is correct. 7 pages every 5 seconds. So how many 5 seconds are there? 480 divided by 5 is 96. So there are 96 5 seconds. Then we're going to take 96 times 7. 672. So altogether, it's 1512. When you take 840 plus 672. Okay. So another copy of the same set of notes was made using machine Q. How many minutes did machine Q take? Okay, so we take 1512 divided by 7. Right. 1512 divided by 7. 216. What this means is there are 216 times of 5 seconds, because every 7 pages takes 5 seconds. So times 5, it's 1080 seconds. How many minutes? So I need to divide it by 60. 18 minutes. Okay, so that's question 11. Yeah, that's right. So far, really okay. Next one. Okay, this one looks tough.